The one and done method ng ilan sa mga manlalaro ng Ateneo did not work well as they thought it would be as they were cut from the Final Four list. You know what time it is? Hands in. 4 players will now be graduating from the side of Ateneo. Jaden Lazo, Dom Escobar, Kaimani Ladi, and Josh Lazaro. It's kind of at least a good sign para sa Ateneo kasi marami pang matitira. Players like Jared Bahay, Waki Espina, Espinosa, Divine Adili as well. Although medyo slightly guard heavy yung mga natirang mga players, both Escobar and Ladi especially, they've developed so much. They've really contributed to what Ateneo is trying to do all throughout the season. We've seen signs of brilliance from them mula nung first round, and unfortunately, hindi lang nila na-maintain yun during the second because teams started to either develop way better in terms of chemistry or mas maganda lang talaga yung nagiging takbo na kanilang laro kasi mas nagagamay na nila kung paano laruin yung sistema ng Ateneo. Was it in terms of the adjustment that it didn't really work out for Ateneo? Maybe. Kasi may times na meron sila mga dikit na laban but they were just unable to close out the games. May mga nagsasabi pa nga right from the start that Kaimani Ladi is gonna be a shoe-in for the Mythical 5 but I don't think that's gonna happen now considering na maraming statistics ang ibang players kesa sa manlalarong ito. Still, it was a good showing mula kay Lazaro, especially Lazaro dahil 5 years siya na nasa Ateneo. He has experienced being a UAAP champion, he has experienced being at the bottom of the standings, and he has experienced being cut from the Final Four. Sobrang solid na experience nito. I wish him nothing but the best for the other ventures na kanyang pupuntahan career-wise. Pero para sa Ateneo, back to the drawing board sila. If it's not one and done, who are they gonna be looking forward to sa mga susunod na araw or buwan?